Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our JavaScript video tutorial. Today we will talk about DOM navigation and nodes. These two concepts are used in JavaScript to control HTML elements. Here is our DOM structure in the document. There is an HTML root node. There is a body node. There is a UL node. There is a li node, and this is also a li node, and this is a text node. This is head node. This is title node, and this is text node. So this is our element node, this is our attribute node, which id equals to d. So this is basically a structure. Now let's discuss how nodes work in JavaScript. A node is the basic building block of the DOM. You can interact with using properties like the DOM node. It represents the entire HTML or XML document in the document object model like DOM. Then element node. It represents HTML elements like div, p, anchor tag, etc. These are the most common types of nodes. Then text node. It represents the text inside HTML elements. For example, the text hello world inside a p tag is a text node. Then attribute node. It represents an attribute of an element. For example, the href attribute inside an a tag like this is our anchor tag and this is our href attribute https example.com. So this is our attribute node. Now let's explore DOM navigations, allowing us to traverse the DOM tree. Things of it like moving through the rooms in a house. Each room is connected. You can navigate to parent, children, or sibling. Here are some important methods and properties. First is parent node. Access the parent of an element. Now we can now take an example. I open my code editor and here I am taking div. Now take an p tag inside the div. Now here I am writing a JavaScript code like constant child equals to document document dot get element by id. I here pasted child p for reference. Now console.log. Here I put child dot parent node dot id. So when I console open my console, now you can see parent div. Here is the id. This id is shown in the output when I child dot parent node dot id. And second is children. It's retrieve all child elements of a node. Now taken an example. Here I am creating a ul and two li. Now I have taken a id like a list. Now I am creating a li tag. I'm creating like item one. Now I copy this and paste it again. Here I put it two. Now this is our ID list. Then I am const list equals to, now I am taking this ID list. Here I call parent length. Then like list dot children dot length. Now you can see two. Okay, this is one and this is a two. This is a parent and it's the this 2 li is children of ul tag. That's why it's give me a two. Then first child and last child. Uh, it's access the first and the last child of a node. This can include text notes or comments. Now look at an example. Here is a list. Okay, then const first we create a document.get element by id, then console.log. Here I put first child, C is capital, first child dot not length. Here I'm creating like first child node name. Okay, now console, then I will paste it here and creating a last child. Here you can see the text hash text hash text. So this is the output of this first child node name and last child node name. Now we can see the first element child and last element child. Then we only put here like I'm in like element, and also here is li tag. Okay, this is the li, that's why it's give me li. Then again I'm putting like element, so also give me a li, this li and this li. Okay, so now we want item one here output, so we write here text content. So here you, this is the item one, and again we did it for a last child. Now you can see item one and item two. This is the this is our text content. Okay, now next is next sibling and previous sibling. You can see here it's navigate to next or previous sibling, even the if they are text node. Like take an example. Here I'm creating one another div like li. Here I'm creating item 2. Here I put it 3. Then I give some attribute like id attribute, and here I am give their value is current item. Okay. Now here I'll document dot current item. Okay. So we first, okay, looking same. Okay. I am creating this current item. Okay, I take this. Now here I am list dot previous sibling. First we use previous sibling, PERVIOUS, previous. Now sibling dot node name. Here also control C, and here I paste it. Now take next sibling. Yeah, I'm creating node name, and it's capital. Now you can see hash text, hash text. Okay, this is our output. This is we here we take this ID, then it's a first sibling, and this is a next sibling. This is a previous sibling, and this is a next sibling. Okay, now previous element sibling and next element sibling, so gets the it gets the previous and next sibling elements, or like ignoring the text nodes. Now take an example. Here I'm such I'm taking a previous element. Okay, I'm taking in here is element. Here also I'm writing element. Now you can see the li. So we want content, so we can use a text content. Also I copy this and paste it here. Okay, sorry. Now yeah, this is the item 1 and this is the item 3. So current item is this is the middle item. Okay, this is the first item. It is a previous the current item, and this is the next sibling of this current item. Now we look DOM node. A node is a fundamental building block that represent every component of a document. So here is the properties of node. So first is a node type. It returns the type of a node. Then second is a node name. It returns the name of a node. Then third is a node value. It returns the value of text or comment node. So we take an example here. First we remove this. Then we simply console.log here we take a node type, document.node type. You can see the 9. This is our output. Document node type. What is document node type? It's a 9. It's give me an integer value 9. Okay, now document a node name. We take a name here, so it's give me a document, hash document. Then we saw a node value, so we can first take some const variables here. Now we can take text node. Now document dot create text node. Here we create a node like hello. Here we can console.log. Now we can tell text node dot node value. Now now it's give me hello. This is I'm creating a hello, create a text node like hello, then I fetch this value, say give me a hello return. Now look at the DOM nodes properties or a method. First is an replace child, replace an old child with a new child. So we can use an example. Yeah, first we explain you this. So first is a replace an old child node with a new one in the parent node, and then second is a append a child node to end of a specified parent node. Then a third is a remove child node. It's remove a specific child node from the parent node, and last is insert before. It's new, and that's our reference node. So it's insert a new node before a reference node within the parent node. Now this is our examples: parent node dot replace dot child. Here I can write it this type: parent node dot append child, parent dot not remove child, parent dot insert before. Yeah, we give here new node and like a reference node second. Now we can see the example here. Now I am creating a first. We can take an example append child. We use like now we can take a list, const list was to document dot get element by id. Here we take a list here. Now we take a new item like const new item, take a variable name new item, and inside we can document dot create element. Here we can li, we create a one li. Now new item dot text contain. Here we take content was to like we give item 4. Okay, item 4. Here we have item 1, item 2, item 3. So take item 4. Now we use append child. So we list dot append child, or we put here item new item. Okay, now we copy and paste it here. Here you saw it's added a one item number 4. You saw this. This is our output. Now we take an example a remove child. Now we create simply removing that item. So first we take a first item const. um, Here we take a first item. We take list dot first element child. Now list dot remove child. Okay, child. Now we take first name, first item. Sorry, first item. Okay, list dot first element. Okay, here our item 1 is removed now. You can see. Now we take an example like replace child. So we use this one. Okay. Now first we create. Okay. Now constant. Okay. We remove this. So we don't want this. Okay. Now here we add some updated item. Here you saw move this. Now remove this. Now we take a list dot replace child new item list dot first child. Sorry, first element tick child. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, now this look at this updated item. Let's replace item 1 to updated item. Let's see how we can use these methods in a practical example. So first we remove all of these from here and we create a shopping list. Suppose shopping. Suppose this is our HTML structure. Now here's how we can manipulate is using JavaScript. Can change the text of the first item. Now we take a constant shopping list. Here we take this letter first item equals to shopping list. Equals to like we take green apple. Now green apple. Now you can see it's change it into apples to green apples. Okay, now we add a new item to the list. Okay, so we take a let new item Here we take a li. Okay, now we take orange here. Now we added in a shopping list, so we first fetch a shopping list. We take app and child. Now you see here is orange is added in our shopping list. Now we remove the last item. Okay, so first we take an variable let old item. We take children index number 0. So first let replace. Now we can take mangoes. Here we add a shopping list. First we take a replacement here li. These mangoes for reference old item. Here we take a child 0. So this is our uh, green apples remove and added a new mangoes. Okay, so friends, in today video we learn about the different types of nodes, how to navigate the DOM, and how to use various properties and methods with examples. If you want to know anything else, you can ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you.